this tutorial, we are going to learn the data types, 3 most important data type, then how to convert the value of one data type to another, then how to know the data type. Okay, which one is 3 important data type? The first one is string. Second one is integer. Third one is float. Okay, at the moment, just let's comment this one. I'm going to explain you what's this string and what's float, what's integer. Then you will learn what's comments. Don't worry. Okay, let's create some variable. My name. Then my age. Then my salary. Okay guys, as we have learned in the previous video, type to learn is a text, but unfortunately Python don't know this one as a text. There is no any data type as a text in Python programming language. This one is string. Okay, string. Then the second one, my age, was an absolute value, but unfortunately this one here in Python programming language, it is an integer. The third one was a decimal number, but here Python know this one as a float. Okay guys, now you have learned 3 most important data type: string, text or known as a string, and integer, absolute value, absolute number known as integer, then decimal number known as float. Okay guys, there are several other data type, but we will learn step by step. Don't worry. Okay guys, now how to convert the value of one data type to other. Okay guys, now here I'm going to mention you something that it's very important. We can convert integer, my age, it's an integer. You can convert this one to a float. Okay, then you can convert float to an integer. You can convert integer to a string, but unfortunately Python will not allow you to convert a string to an integer or a float. For example, now as we have learned that absolute values are integer and decimal number are float, if you do not believe, let's print and see the result. My age, let's print my age. Here my age is 34, but how I can know that the data type of my age is an integer? To know the data type, just you need to add here type. Just you need to add type. Okay, let's print this one and you will see the result. You see here in my console output, class integer, my age is an integer. Then let's print okay, let's print my name. Let's print my salary, and see the data type. Guys, class integer, string, float. The data type of salary is float. My name is a string and my age is an integer. See here, output, Now you know that my name is string, my age is integer, and my salary is decimal number. Now you know the data type of your variable. Okay guys, now how we can convert this one? Now you know that my age is an integer and my salary is a float. To convert this one, just it's enough to here at the beginning of the value, just you need to mention, for example, I'm going to convert this one to a float, then open bracket, close bracket. This one is an integer. Before we saw that the data type of 34, my age was an integer. Now let's see. Guys, as you see here, because we convert the value, the data type of this my age to a float by adding this one float. That means typecasting. We are going to change the data type from an integer to a float. Now we have changed. Look here. My age 34, as we have learned that it's an integer. Before it was an integer, but now it's a float. Dear friends, we can change an integer to a float. We can change a float to an integer. We can change a string to an integer. No, unfortunately, in a string we cannot change. We can change an integer to a string, but unfortunately here you need to know that a string you cannot change to a float, you cannot change to an integer. Let's change this one to an string and see the result. Let's print and see that we can change or not. The friend, see this one. Now we have two strings. One is my name because it's a text, it's a real string, and the second one is the age. Okay, congratulations, guy. Now you know the data types, three most important data type, which are string, integer, and float. The second one, now you know how to convert or cast the data type from one value to other value. You can change now integer. You know that how to change from an integer to a string to a float to an integer to a float, and then you know that you cannot change a string to any one of this one.